So to make the scrunchie, I'm using this ice yarn. Now I got this donated to me, and I'm going to use a little bit of this one to make that scrunchie. The yarn's made in Turkey, but this one I got donated to me from a lady called Claire. Ta-da! I wish I'm around in my drawers. Now I have got a magnifying glass. Now it tells you it is a 5 worsted. Wait, this is terrible. That my eyesight's goes. It's not. It's the writing's really small. Look at that. It's really tiny. Right. It says it's 50% wool and 50% acrylic. It's 100 grams in the ball. That's 134 meters, and it tells you to use knitting needles a 6mm or a US 10. Now, if you find yarn and it only has a knitting needle symbol, I'm trying to get you to see this. It only has a knitting needle symbol. Well, you use the same hook size. The shaft on a knitting needle and the shaft working part on your crochet hook is the same. If you didn't know that, well, I've taught you something. I've taught you something new. That the shaft part that you work on a crochet hook and the one on a knitting needle, it's the same. Because when you check your sizes, those little size gauges you get, then it's the same. So there we go. That's something you've learned. And I'm a little bit blind. My goodness. So it tells you to use a 6mm hook. There is nothing else about the size. It just says it's ambient. Ambient. So I don't know if that is the actual configuration of the yarn rather than the colour, but it's beautiful. Look at that. It's absolutely beautiful. I can put my magnifying glass away. Now there's something else. So what we're going to do anyway, you need some of these little elasticated hair baubles, and these are perfect for making up into your own scrunchies whatever way you want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a sort of larger pink one. I have been using this one, but it needs a little revamp. So if you want to revamp your baubles, I won't use that one because it's clashing with my work mat. So anyway, what we're going to do is I'm going to use this beautiful, I think it's going to make a beautiful scrunchie. And I am positive Claire's not going to mind that I've used a little bit of this yarn to do my scrunchie. So I am going to take the middle out of the yarn. I like to work from the middle. There we go. A little crochet in a chat there. I'm going to use this small hook. This is a 4.5 hook. And yes, it's got teeth marks in it. It wasn't me, it was Muttley. Muttley was running about with it the other day, and it doesn't do, it's right where I keep my hand anyway, so my hook's not rough or anything like He said this to a couple of my hooks. I'm going to be really honest. He's done this to a couple of my hooks, so I think it's about time I got myself another pack of crochet hooks. But anyway, never mind. He's my little baby, isn't he? So what we're going to do is you're going to get your stretchy hairband. These little ones work perfect. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to do something that I don't normally do. I am going to tie this on. I'm going to tie it on and then tie it again, because I don't think I'm going to manage to stitch it in. Just tie it in like that. You won't see it. Once we've got so many treble crochets on here, you're not going to see it. Put my hook through. So put your hook through and pull your yarn through. Now you can just keep your tail end down to work it in. What we're going to do is we're going to use a UK treble crochet. If you're in the USA or another country, this is a double crochet. You can use a UK double treble crochet. That's like you wrap your yarn around twice like this and make it a taller stitch. It's up to you. I'll do this one in a treble crochet, and then I'll do the other one. I'll just do it because it's a dark one, you can't see. I'll do it with a bigger stitch, and I'll show you what it's like with a bigger stitch, because you can't really see that one. So I'm going to put my yarn over my hook, put it back through my bobble and pull through, and then do my treble crochet like that. So what you're going to do is keep doing your treble crochets. This is so easy, so easy. So yarn over around your bobble, pull your yarn through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through. You're going to put lots and lots. I'm not even going to tell you the number because you will lose count. Just keep putting lots and lots of treble crochets around your scrunchie. Around and around and around you go. Put lots and lots of them. Fill your bobble up with lots and lots of crochet. Just keep pushing it around and it'll start to go like that. It'll start to pucker up. So we're just going to keep doing that for you to make. The great thing about it is, if you have something that you're wearing and you don't have a scrunchie to match, but you have yarn and you have a couple of these hair ties, then you can make your own scrunchies to match your outfit. Or you can make special scrunchies for your children. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attach it. Just join it on. Just do a slip knot. Just pull through and pull through again. And then I'm going to cut it. I'll get my scissors. And I've hardly used any of that I pulled through there. You're lucky if I've used not even about 2 or 3, not even a gram or 2. Now there you go. And you just scrunch it up. I need to put that through there first. If I put that through there, just loop it through. There's children playing outside and Molly's growling. Look at that. That is so pretty. So easy, so quick. And you've got yourself a beautiful little scrunchie. Look at that. You just take a darning needle and you just stitch that in. You can just pull your yarn through like this. Just pull it through a few of your stitches. Just pull through. It's too far away. Just pull it through like this. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do that. Snip that off. You can sew it. I would recommend you sew it. But look at that. And there you go. You've got your beautiful little hair bobble, your little scrunchie for your hair. I'm going to use that, and I'm actually going to make something for myself with this. I think I'll make myself a nice neck warmer or something with it. It's so pretty. So thank you very much for watching. And make yourself some scrunchies. Please just click on that subscribe button, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.